Hello, my name is Freddie Zental Weaver, and this is my partner, wife, and beloved, Dr. Elsbeth Meuth. We are founders and directors of the TantraNova Institute in Chicago and look forward to being with you at the festival soon.
Yeah, really great opportunity. And Freddie and I, we want to share with you at the Prana Festival in Romania the four dimensions of intimacy and how to reconnect and reintegrate these four dimensions that are, of course, or the connection is fueled by prana, given that this is then an energetic connection between the dimensions, how that shows up in our body, how it shows up as solo practice, how it shows up as partner practice. And we can't wait to see you there.
Yeah, we're excited to share with you what we do and who we are. Forever, prana, energy, manifestation of it in all its forms and delightful ways. One of the most unique is the sexual energetic awakening. And, it's an altered state because we are producing more endorphins, serotonin, oxytocin, the feel-good hormones. We're in a loving, open, vulnerable state. So we're working and teaching practices and distinctions to allow people to get more connected and shift the things that they don't want in their life to the things that they do want in their life with ease, grace, and flow. Forever, we've been procreating with this energy. That's what it does. It creates life. And for the last 100 or so years, we've been recreating with the development of contraceptives. And so what we're teaching is how to co-create with this creative life force energy. To think it was creating life before we had language, we're just beginning to understand what we're a part of.
So more of all of that, the sexual, the heart, the all kinds of pranas we are going to be talking about, at least how prana can manifest itself within us and within relationship. And we look forward to seeing you there at the Prana Festival. Until then, bye.